Alright guys, we're back and we're gonna open a box called Celestial Storm. And so let's get into it. Let's open some packs. Alright. Alright guys, so let's begin by opening it. I swear, every time I do this, I remember when I was a little kid, see a pack and it'd be the most amazing thing ever, but now when I do this, even as an adult, I feel like it's Christmas every time I open a box. Like, it just makes me go nuts. So we got left side and right side. There we go.
Wait.
Start. Here we go.
I was like, which one are you going to start with?
Start with the same one every time. Humans are creatures of nature and creatures of habit.
So from left to right?
Yep, always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. There we go.
So what are you hoping to get in this one?
I don't know yet. Oh, damn it.
I know what I want.
I know, she wants me to get an Articuno GX. Onyx, Bagon, Beltoy, Beldum, Lotad, Dark Energy, Lombre, Lantern, Switch, Regirock, and Bayonet GX.
Ooh.
Yep.
Already,
first pack. I think Bayonet's supposed to be a doll that the owner didn't want anymore, and that's why it became a ghost Pokemon. If I'm not mistaken, I can't remember exactly the backstory.
Pretty cool.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I messed up. Oh well. You guys are gonna get to see whatever the rare is earlier, I think. Whelmer, Beldum, Spoink, Beltoy, Wingle, Purple Energy, Combuskin. Oh, I guess you guys get to see the reverse holo list. Pokenav, Vigroth, Fisherman, and Grumpig. Grumpig is the rare. These packs are a little thicker than the other ones. I can feel the difference. You know what's weird is you can feel the minute differences in between packs, because Dragon Majesty ones kind of feel like this, but the Burning Shadow ones, they were like thin.
Really?
Yeah, they were a lot different, which is weird. I think it was like very, very minute differences. Seedot, Clamperl, Vampy, Electrike, Torchic, Green Energy, Tate and Liza, Bill's Maintenance, Cacturn, the reverse holo is Marshtomp, and Deoxys, and I believe that's defensive form. It doesn't say it on here, but I'm pretty positive that's defensive form. Unless I'm wrong, someone correct me in the comments. Because, like, Speed Deoxys, what does Speed Deoxys look like? Oh, wait, yeah, he's, like, got those weird, like, noodle arms. Attack Deoxys looks like a shark. To me, at least.
Aren't you scared of sharks?
Terrified. Terrified. What was it, Gabriel was asking me the other day? My brother is Gabriel. He was like, would you rather die by a shark or a bear? And I was like, I will take anything over a shark. You could just saw me if you like. Oh shoot, that was a Sunskirt. Slugma, Larvitar. Hey, that's the old Larvitar. I remember that Larvitar. Wishmer, Bellsprout, Metal Energy, Mawile, Illumis, Pulse. The reverse is Torchic and Metagross. Oh, the one with Steven in the back. Kind of like that. Kinda like that. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Metagross is one of my favorite Pokemon. It's no Salamence, but Metagross is pretty cool. Do 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 do. Here we go. Oh shoot, dang it. I almost started reading Pokemon into you several times, and then I realized that I messed up.
It's pretty late tonight.
Yeah, it's kind of late. kind of tired. I just want to eat some chocolate and watch The Office. Alright, here we go. Beldum. Awesome. Spoink. Awesome. Beltoy. Awesome. Wingle. Decent. Metatite. Blue Energy. Pelipper. Skypillar. Isn't that where you catch Rayquaza? I believe it is. Dunsparce. Ooh, Latios Prism Star. And Mr. Mime GX.
Ooh!
So those were the two second. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Those are both really nice. And it's only what?
3 packs.
Pack?
Oh my god, that means the other packs are gonna be horrible, guys.
No.
They're gonna be horrible.
No. That means we're gonna get the Articuno. I want the Articuno.
So when we got the box, we got it off of Amazon. Not advocating, not a plug. Sorry. It was when we got it here. It was like the plastic around it was a little bit damaged, which I was like, that's not cool. 2, 3, 4. Ooh, the rare one has got this damage right here. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a damage at the top, like an actual, like someone just messed it all up. So Bagon, awesome. Shuppet, Mudkip, Alolan Rattata. They have so many different Alolan Rattatas. Slack Off, Electric Energy, Super Scoop Up, a Weepin' Bell, Friend Ball, Sneasel is a reverse holo, and Kartana is the rare. And it's not holographic, so I don't need to put that in something. Alright, on to the next pack, guys.
The Weepin' Bell always reminds me of James.
Oh, what?
Of James.
Your mom reminds me of Jinx.
James.
Oh, Jinx. James from the anime. You guys, her mom actually does look like Jinx, by the way. Just putting that out there. Seriously. Slugma.
You're so mean.
Larvitar. Sylvia, if you heard that, I'm sorry. Wishmer. Bellsprout. Whelmer. Red Energy. The Masked Royale. Minior. Volbeat. Sableye is the reverse, and Swampert is the rare. Alright. Man. Seriously, these packs are way harder to open. I don't know why. Maybe I have weak hands, guys. 2, 3, 4.
How much are you benching now? Or pressing? Or what'd you say?
A lot. Let's just leave it at a lot. Ludvisk. No, there's no D before it. It's Lovedisk. It is Lovedisk. Trico. Skitty. Spinarak. Bagon. Fighting Energy. Energy Recycle System. Shrine of Punishment. Oh, the Shrine of Punishment. Arcobike. Mudkip is the reverse. And Wailord is... I think my wife almost said my last brother's name. It was kind of funny.
I was gonna say Isaiah and I had
That's
to
my
stop.
That's my last brother's. I knew she wanted to say it, so I just said it for her.
Well, you said my mom looks like Jinx.
She does.
So Isaiah looks like Whalmer.
No.
And Whaler.
We do not, here on this channel, we do not advocate fat jokes. I'm sorry. I'm overweight myself.
Same.
Shuppet, Mudkip, Alolan Rattata, Slack Off, is it Surskit? Surskit. So if I said Sunskit earlier, it's my bad. It's technically Surskit. It's from the 3rd generation. I should have known that. Metal Energy, TV Reporter, Life Herb, Gorbius. The reverse is Nuzleaf, and Heatran is the holo rare. Yup. Heatran. Alrighty, here we go. On to the next pack.
What number is that?
I have no idea. I stopped counting after 1. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So Let's see here. Mudkip. Bagon. That Bagon is pretty awesome, though. That art is awesome. Wishmer. Trico. Another Trico. That's pretty cool. Pink Energy. Tate and Liza. Bill's Maintenance. Cacturn. Wilmer is the reverse, and Macargo is the rare. I'm going to keep that Macargo. If I can open this pack, we would be on to the next pack. Do 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 do. 1, 2.
I love
3.
when you make that noise. Do 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 do.
Alright. Wishmer, Voltorb, Slugma, Surskit, Sneasel, Water Energy, Solrock, Donphan, Vigoroth. Ooh, I got the reverse holo is that same Metagross. That is pretty cool. And the holo is Kyogre.
Show them.
That's kind of cool. Wait, didn't see that? That's awesome. Look at that.
No, you covered it with the other card.
Awesome.
Those are pretty cool. Next pack.
Oh shoot, I probably almost... Chinchou, Gulpin, Cacney, Torchic, Shuppet, Dark Energy, Pelipper, Skypillar, Dunsparce! The reverse holo is Shine of Punishment, and Lunatone is the holo. That's pretty cool. I like the Shine of Punishment, actually.
I feel like something good is coming.
I don't. I really don't. I don't know why I spun that so much. These Pokemon cards are probably dizzy now. Mudkip. Bagon. Wishmer. Awesome Bagon, by the way. Double Tricos. Second time. That happened twice. In the exact same order. Okay. Trico. Yellow Energy. I'm just kidding. It's Electric Energy. Rainbow Brush. Tropius. Marshtomp. The reverse is Last Chance Potion. And Exploud is the rare, but it's not holo. Ha! Told you there's nothing in that one. Let's see here. Do 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 do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Here we go. So, got Seedot, Skitty, Alolan Rattata, Torchic, Metatite, Purple Energy, Damask Royale, Minior, Volbeat. Ooh, a reverse holo. A reverse holo Rainbow Energy. That's pretty cool. I like that.
That was pretty.
It is pretty, right?
Yeah.
I liked it.
I liked it too.
Next pack. Here we go. Obviously, you've seen that it was the next pack. Sorry, guys. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Chinchou. Gulpin. I feel like Gulpin is the Trubbish of that, or Trubbish is the Gulpin of this general. Well, you know what I mean. You know what I meant. Cacney, Torchic, Shuppet. I like that Shuppet. That Shuppet is nice. Look at that. Red Energy, Underground Expedition, Shelgon, Beast Ball. The reverse holo is Delmise, and Regice is the rare. Well, I think we found out that my wife is bad luck.
Nuh-uh. I bet you anything. We're gonna get a really good card.
Every time she says that, nothing happens.
That Mr. Mime, remember? Was that this time or last time?
That was this time.
Oh, I'm tired.
Alright, here we go. Let's see here. Torchic. Vagon. Awesome Vagon. Beltoy. Beldum. Awesome Beldum. Lotad. Leaf Energy. Life Herb. Gorbius. Wonder if Huntail's in this one. Sableye. Clamperl. And Bill's Maintenance Full Art. Alright. Alright.
What did I say?
She got lucky on that one, guys. She got super lucky on that one. Alright, here we go. Oh! We're good. We're good.
Nothing happened.
Let's see here. 1, 2, 4, 2. Do. Seedot. Skitty. Alolan Rattata. Oh gosh. Alolan Rattata. Torchic. I think you guys can see the mesh screen. Metatite. Brown Energy. Oh, Loudred. Masquerain. How? Didn't like How in the game, by the way, guys. He was too friendly. Everyone says that, but I agree with that. The reverse holo is the paintbrush, rainbow paintbrush, and then you have Claydol, non-holo, as the rare. So the last pack for the left side. Here we go. Jesus. There we go. I think I got it. I have never struggled this much with anything in my life. Except Calc 3, guys. That was a struggle. Or, no, Calc 2, never mind. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 2. Alright, here we go. Metatite. Seedot. Clamperl. Fampi. Electrike. It's the second pack that I've seen. It went Fampi Electrike. Pink Energy. Pupitar. Kecleon. If my wife would stop moving the camera. TV Reporter. Just kidding. Metatite. And Manectric is the rare. Alright guys, we're about to start this right side action.
Actually, let's take a little break though. The battery's about to die.
Alright. Alright, and we're back. Sorry guys, my recorder died.
Camera?
Camera. That's what I meant, sorry. I'm a little old. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you guys are going to get to see the reverse holo, I think, early. My fault. I sometimes mess up. Seedot. Beldum. Alolan Rattata. Voltorb. That's a nice Voltorb. I actually like that Voltorb. Trico. Purple Energy. Energy Switch. Lombre. Mawile. Underground Expedition. And Registeel.
Hey.
She was just asking, she was like, I seen Regice and I seen Regirock. I was like, we got Registeel somewhere. That was Registeel. All 3 of them. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, so now we got Wingull, Spoink, Chinchou, Onix, Bagon, Red Energy, Rainbow Brush, Tropius, Marshtomp, Jirachi Prism Star. That's kind of cool. And now Speed Form Deoxys. Remember how we got defense? I knew that was Speed Form. It's defensive. I mean, that was defense. Now we got the Speed Form one. Alright, on to the next pack. There we go. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's see. So we got Bellsprout, Fampi, Clamperl, Skitty, Lotad, It's a leaf energy. Copycat. Hauntail. Hauntail. Grovyle. The reverse is Seedot. And the rare is Swampert. Wow. Wow. Not gonna lie, guys. I'm pretty disappointed so far. So sorry. Don't mean to say it, but I'm pretty disappointed so far.
I'm just waiting for my card.
1, 2, 3.
We're gonna get a good card, huh, Israel?
Yeah.
Here we go. Alright. So we got Larvitar, Slackoth, Love Disc, Electrike, Seedot, Fighting Energy, Underground Expedition, Shelgon, Beast Ball, Reverse Hollow is Arco Bike, and an Articuno.
We got it! Ah! I'm so excited.
Wow.
I told you.
Wow.
Let me see. Give it to me. It's mine. It's mine.
Alright, well, let's continue.
I'm so happy. I knew it.
That's her favorite Pokemon.
It
There are
really
like
is.
700, and that is her favorite. It's like, seriously?
What's so wrong with Articuno? I have like so many memories on the Nintendo 64. Every single time I would play, I would always play with Articuno, like in the battle stadium.
Wingull, Spoink, Chinchou, Oink, Onyx. Sorry guys, it's kind of late.
You said
Oink,
oink.
Vagon, Metal Energy, Lure Ball, Oncorio, Oricorio, sorry, Swaloot, the reverse is Cacturn, and Delmise is the rare.
Yeah, but it's no Articuno. I'm so happy, you have no idea.
Ugh.
Did you see it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Alright, here we go. Shove it. Shove it. Mudkip, Beldum, Whalmer, Spinarak, Pink Energy, Loudred, Masquerain. Howl, the reverse is Slackoth, and Sogalo is the hollow. It's kind of cool.
It's pretty cool.
Sorry guys, if I start to go a little bit faster, it's because the battery. My fault. This is all my fault. Sorry guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Alright, here we go. Larvitar, Slackoth, Love Disc, Electrank, Seedot, Water Energy, Mentang, Apricorn Maker. Oh, I remember that from Gen 2. Hiker, Wingull, and Manectric is the rare.
Next pack.
Next pack. Do, 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 do. I think I did that right. I may have went too many, guys. Sorry. My hands are getting pretty raw. Whismur, Voltorb, Slugma, Surskit, Sneasel, Dark Energy, Lumbre, and Lantern. I guess they're a duo. Switch, Donphan is the reverse, and Metachan is the rare.
Next pack.
But
What's your favorite Pokemon, Israel?
Get back on two with that.
let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've always loved Dragon Pokemon. At first, my favorite Pokemon was Dragonite. Then, when Tyranitar came out, I loved Tyranitar, even though he wasn't a Dragon Pokemon. He was an unofficial Dragon Pokemon. Shuppet, Mudkip, Whelmerfell, guys. A Whelmerfell. Spinarak, Metal Energy, Nuzleaf, Friend Ball. Ooh, Rare Candy. Vigoroth, and Registeel. Let's see here. Yeah, anyways. So back to my favorite Pokemon. I've always been Dragon Pokemon. Since day one, since Dragonite came out. I was like, this is awesome. To be honest, I kind of liked Dragoneer better. Which is weird. Most people called me funny. Then, Gen 3 and Salamence came out, and I was instantly in love. Favorite Pokemon. Let's see here. 4th gen, I think Haxorus is from the 4th generation, and I loved Haxorus. Torchic, Slackoff, Shuppet, Trico. Someone get back to me. Is Haxorus from the 4th or the 5th gen? I think it's 4th. I think it's the 4th. Sorry. Cacnea, Green Energy, Copycat, Hauntail, Grovyle, Sceptile. That's pretty cool. And Manectric again. Great job, Manectric. Ah. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's see. Here we go. So Mudkip, Slugma, Beldum, Larvitar, Wailmer, Water Energy, Marshtomp, Sableye, Kecleon, and Swaloot is the reverse, and Bayonet is the rare.
How many more packs?
There are like 7. I think including this one there's 7. So Beltoy pack, guys. I think it's going to be a good one. I can feel it. Beltoy's awesome. No, he's not. I'm lying. Sorry, guys.
Honestly, we already got the Articuno.
She can just wrap the video up if she wanted to. She didn't even care. Beltoy, Bagon. I like that Bagon. I'm going to keep that Bagon. Just like as a artwork. Torchic, Love Disc, Spinarak. It's Eye Energy. Lure Ball. I'm just kidding. Psychic Energy. Oricorio, Swaloot. Bill Maintenance is the reverse. And Wailord. Non-hot.
Next pack.
You guys, she's low-key rushing me. She doesn't care anymore.
I do care. It's just the battery. It's at 4%.
1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Alright, here we go. Don't worry, guys. Torchic. Slackoff. Shuppet. Trico. Oh, not double Tricos. Cacnea. Fighting Energy. Pokeee. Ooh, Scyther. That's pretty cool. Energy Recycle System. The reverse is Mining. And Sceptile is the rare.
How many are left? We can stop. Try to come back? No? Okay.
Alright. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Let's see here. Boop. Alrighty, here we go. Gulpin, Whismer, Shuppet, Sneasel, Whismer. What the heck? Whismer. 2 Whismers. Metal Energy, Mentang. Apricorn Maker. Hiker, Lotad is the reverse. And Life Herb, the secret rare. That's pretty cool.
That is really cool.
Yeah, that is pretty cool. I guess that kind of makes up for not having... This is... I only got 2... I think... Hold on. No, hold on. I lied. Oh, yeah, 2 GXs. So, let's
and
hope...
my Articuno is a GX too.
Oh, yeah, never mind. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Never mind. Another Beltoy, and it's going to be... Oh, man. Never mind. Beltoy's not off the hook. Off the chain. No, it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2.
I think you just gave away your age when you said off the chain.
No, it didn't. Comment what you think my age is, guys. Comment what you think my age is. You haven't seen my face. You can only see my hands. Comment what you think my age is. Bagon, Torchic, Love Disc, Spinarak, Pink Energy, Torkoal. Damn. I actually hated Torkoal. You guys remember you used to catch him on the 3rd gen? Oricorio, Illumise. Ooh, Slacking Reverse. That's pretty cool. Another Regirock. Sorry, guys. Regirock. But the Slacking, though. The Slacking. That's kind of cool. That's pretty cool. I like that card. I used to love Slacking in the game, too. But, you know, you'd kind of, like, keep him as Vigoroth for a long time. Because then you were like, once he evolved, his ability was kind of crappy, you know? So you're like, keep him as Vigoroth, maybe. His attack's pretty high for a 2nd stage. 2, 3, 4, 2. Maybe I'm the only one. Maybe I'm the only crazy one. Never mind. Don't listen to Alex. Here we go. So we got C-Dot. Hated C-Dot. Loved Belden. Lowland Rattata. I could care less. Voltorb. Liked Trico. Actually, I picked Trico when I first started Ruby and Sapphire. Water Energy. Nuzleaf. Friendball. Rare Candy. Gorbius. And Shiftry GX.
Ooh.
I actually have the secret rare Shiftry GX for this.
Do you really?
Yup. It's somewhere around here. Don't know where. But I've got it. I promise. We're down to the last 2 packs, guys. Home stretch. If we were playing baseball, it'd be the 7th inning stretch? Yeah, 7th inning stretch. Basketball, 2-minute warning. No, that's football. Football's a 2-minute warning. Sorry, guys. Never mind.
Don't you, like, play basketball every single day of your life?
So, does it mean never mind. It doesn't matter, guys. Gulpin. Whismer. Shove it. Sneasel. Wishmer again. That's happened twice. That's happened twice. Dark Energy. Arco Bike. Is that the one that jumps? Yeah, because the Mach Bike was the one that you used to get to Rayquaza. Last Chance Potion. Lysia? Tropius is the reverse. And Staccato GX. Alright, we got Staccato GX. I have no idea how to pronounce that. It's probably super easy with a lot of syllables, and I still can't do it. Actually, I should probably show it to you guys one more time. It's pretty cool. I like it. Alright, last pack. Finito, final. Here we go.
Alright. Think there's another Articuno in there?
I doubt it. It's very
What's the other
highly unlikely. What?
No, the Articuno. Is there like a rainbow one?
Yeah.
That's what we're shooting for next.
That's what she's shooting for.
We.
I wanted the Rayquaza. I don't like Rayquaza. Rayquaza's bad. Bellsprout. Phanpy. Bad isn't bad. Like, as you know what I mean. Clamperl. Skitty. Lotab.
Yellow energy.
Nope. It's a lightning energy, Chelsea. It's a lightning energy. No, I'm just kidding. Yellow energy. Solrock. Donphan. That's the guy that I would keep. I would keep him instead of, slacking. You know what I'm saying. Phanpy is the reverse.
Aww.
And Deoxys, defense. That's how we're ending a video. Deoxys, defense form. I'm so sorry, guys. I tried, and I'm sorry. Well, alright, guys. Take care. Peace.